Alright guys, today we have the Fly Gun Shredder. It's CO2 powered with special canisters for ammunition, and it explicitly warns you not to shoot bugs on anything of value that you do not want to destroy. That's pretty tough there, guys. Now, another thing, salt for our regular salt gun. We have the laser pointer. This is the ammo, shredded ammo. I think this is $10 a pack. But you get 120 rounds out of dollars. So when you're killing annoying bugs, that's not too bad. Okay. Ta-da! Alright, Bug Assault Shredder. Shred the shit out of them. Available at bugassault.com. Your little irritated ant sticker. This is what the package comes with here. You get 2 packets of ammunition. You get a box of CO2 cartridges, 5 cartridges to go in the bug shredder itself. And directions, safety sheets, the do's and don'ts, which are important. This thing can hurt somebody. There we have that, guys. The handle comes open for the CO2 cart. We crack the barrel open. That folds down. Now we load our ammunition ring on here. Snap this back shut. Has a little finger hole for you to pop the handrail off. Alright. We'll do it all here. We'll load it. There you go, the CO2 cartridge here. Insert it in there. Unscrew, tighten it until you can fit it in there. There you go. Now never point this at anything that can get hurt, guys. It's high pressure coming out of there at any time. And like I said, it can hurt somebody. Okay, put our handle back on. This is a plastic handle, but a metal body. Push the plastic down here. Pop it open. It's a little stiff at first. Okay, here's our cartridge. So we have turning gears. They need to be facing out. Mounted on here. Turning gears facing out. Flick it shut. There's a line, an arrow to line up on here to line the cartridges up. Safety. That's fire right there. That's safe. It's fire, it's safe. It's blocking the hammer is what it's doing. Cock back. Demo, guys. See what we got there. It's like that was a partial fire. It may have been a full fire. Yeah. Yeah. So there you have it, guys. Oh yeah, you can feel the salt in there. There we go. Alright, there you have it. The Bug Assault Shredder. Now we'll check out the laser aim for it. Open this up. Pretty straightforward, just snaps right on. Some directions. Comes on and off, ready to go right out of the box. There we go, right over the end of our barrel. There we go, snaps on with a little bit of pressure. Want to make sure she's on there good. And boom, your red dot bug in now. Yep, that's got a lot more power and direction than the pump shotgun. Bug Assault Shredder, guys. Laser beam, preloaded cartridges, CO2. They say it'll kill all the bugs. And ask that you not go after praying mantises and things that are not harmful. Splatter roaches, ants, flies, everything else you need to deal with. Murder hornets, we don't know. Thank you. Watch again next time, guys. Thank you.